wonder why I do whatever I like. I do what I like. I do. What I like. I do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie Aina. Check it. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know. Don't shoot me. I know it's been a long time. It's been 3 weeks since your girl has done a makeup look. The only thing I can tell you guys is that I've just been a little iffy. You know, I've been a little off my game, but she's slowly but surely getting back into the game. But as you guys can see by the title, your girl is doing a recreating Jackie Aina makeup look part 2. Let us pray. I already did a recreating Jackie Aina makeup look. I'm gonna put some screenshots of it right here. I did it on my YouTube channel last year, actually around this month of June. I did it, and of course I went ahead and created the look, posted it on my Instagram and my Twitter, and she actually seen it on Twitter, and she not only commented on it, she retweeted it, and she went on my YouTube channel. She went on my YouTube channel, you guys, and commented on it. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna put it right here for you guys to see all of it. I was just so freaking happy that she got a chance to see it and notice it, because I honestly never thought she was going to, and I really did want her to, because she is a true inspiration to me and so many other upcoming makeup artists and beauty influencers here on social media, here on YouTube. So it's just so happy that she got a chance to see this, and I hope she gets to see this one too, because it's going to be super cute. It's going to be super amazing. If you guys take a look within this makeup look that she created, she basically created the look within using the Alyssa Edwards collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've seen literally almost every makeup artist or every beauty influencer show this off on their social media. Basically, yeah, you know, can't relate, you know, not on the PR list, you know what I'm saying? So I just can't relate, you know. It's like they just put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation.
I'm just kidding, you guys. But no, I just feel like, you know, it's gonna be my time to shine with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and hopefully getting on their PR list one day when it's my time to shine. I feel like now, after they pretty much accepted so many people into their PR list this year, I feel like it's their time to shine. You know, it's their time to glow within their presence of packages that they receive from, you know, ABH. And I feel like when it comes to my time, it will personally be Kanisha's time to shine and to just be completely happy and thankful to be put onto their PR list. But like I said, that is within everything that I'm going to be doing within recreating this beautiful makeup look right here. And I'm just going to use what I have here at the house. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get started with this. But before we get into this video, why don't you guys go ahead and follow me on all of my social medias, which is my Instagram and my Twitter. If you are a desktop version watching me, why don't you guys go ahead and hit those 2 links up in the banner. And if you are mobily, just go ahead and go to my about section, and there should be 2 links to my social medias there as well. And then why don't you guys go ahead and also hit the subscribe button, okay? Subscribe to your girl's channel. You will not regret subscribing to my channel. And I just want to say hi to all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kanisha. I think I'm gonna start saying that now from time to time within my videos, because I just personally think that I should go ahead and just welcome all my new beauties to my YouTube channel. And for anybody that has been a ride or die here since day one, hey you beauties, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, you guys, so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video here onto my channel as well. And like I said, I'm not going to do too much talking within this intro. But I am going to let you guys know this is a voiceover video, because I want not only to speed up time within this video of me creating this makeup look, but your girl is going to be completely focused onto the eye makeup look and the lips. So I'm just going to really get into this makeup look and really focus, pay attention, because I want this to turn out good. Like, I want Jackie Aina to be proud of me. I want her to see this. I want her to acknowledge me once again. But like I say, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
I know one thing I better not do is demonetize this video for these Elizabeth Edwards clips.
Hey you guys, so as you can see, your girl already did the brows off camera, and of course she did the base of her face off camera, and all the products that I use off camera will be in the description box down below. You guys already know what it is. I do it every single time. And of course I am currently baking, and I went ahead and used my Pop Beauty Setting 101 palette to bake, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the Covergirl Look Lock Up eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime these eyelids. Since we're using very bright colors today, I thought I would use the closest I have to a white base primer. This is kind of light beige, which is somewhat close to white, so we're gonna use that and just go ahead and start tapping that onto our lids. And of course, you guys, it got cloudy and rainy that whole entire day, so I excuse myself for all of the lighting and darking. So if you see me adjusting my lighting back and forth, it's not me, it's Mother Nature. She's on her period and she's tearing Georgia to shreds with the rain. But as you guys seen, I was going to go ahead and use those two pink shades within the bhcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette, and I'm using my favorite blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and start packing that into the crease. I'm just doing back and forth when wiper motions, but I'm also making sure that I'm packing that shadow on within the outer and inner corner of our crease as well. And we're just really making sure that we're packing that shade on, because it's pretty much going on to the whole entire eyelid. And then, as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and take that pink shade right there. And that pink shade, I'm going to use the small, precise eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and start packing that on. And I'm going to add that as a little bit of a transition color within the crease. And I'm just going to blend that out. Okay. And so I went ahead and carved out a half cut crease using the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in the shade Deep, and I'm going to take a nice flat small precise eyeshadow brush, spray that with some water, and then we're going to go ahead and dip into the Covergirl Full Spectrum Versatile Cheek Palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful pink shade that's supposed to be used for blush, and I'm going to try and apply that on my eyelid within the same shimmer shadow that Jackiana had used within her makeup look. There is an eyeshadow palette by Full Spectrum within Covergirl. It's in the name Posh. It's a pink shadow that I had used for my soft glam Valentine's Day look.
Or y'all need to get right with God. The reason why you ain't blending out shadows right is because you're not right with God. You better pray and kneel, bend the knee, and your stuff will start blending right.
But I did not have that with me, so I used what I had, and I think it came out pretty good. I liked it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to go ahead and start packing that on and kind of moving it around within the lid. But then on top of that, I went ahead and used that same hot pink within the bhcosmetics palette, and I packed that onto the lid on top of that because I felt like it was coming off a little bit more peachy pink, soft peachy pink, than it was like very like hot pink, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and just packed on that matte shadow on top of that, and it blended out pretty decently. And now I'm going to take that beautiful pearl shade within the Versatile Cheek Palette, and I'm going to kind of blend that in within, kind of creating a double half cut crease like she did within the picture, but you can barely see it because she blended it out so beautifully. But for some reason, it was very difficult for me to have that blended out just as much as she did, so I kind of really defined it within the line. So that's what I feel like kind of stands out between me and hers looks, but I feel like it kind of looks just like her. Like, it looks beautiful, and it came out pretty nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this eye pencil, it's in the shade Deep Plum, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my waterline, just so that way when we get ready to pack on this purple eyeshadow within the lower lash line, it can really kind of pack on the color. So I'm taking a very small smudge eyeshadow brush. This is like my go-to smudge when it comes to smoking out the bottom lash line. I'm just going to pack on that purple, kind of swoosh it back and forth, but I'm mainly patting it on. And I did it kind of in an upward motion. As you guys can see, I'm pressing it upwards. I'm not pushing it down because I felt like it packed it on a lot more better that way than it did with me just doing it in a more downward motion, if that makes sense. And now I'm going to use the Great Lash Waterproof Mascara. I haven't used this mascara in a very long time, but it is really good. So I thought, why not bring it out and just go ahead and coat these lashes up. It's crazy because I have the Great Lash Mascara and then I have the waterproof Great Lash Mascara. So I have both of these babies. And of course, your girl went ahead and did lashes off camera. Once again, will be in the description box. Now, I did go ahead and contour and bronzed off camera as well as I was baking. But I thought just to touch up just a little bit. So I'm taking that Black Radiance True Complexion palette in the shade Medium Dark. And I'm just going to go ahead and touch up within the bronzer, and then I'm going to take a little bit within my contour shade in the Ulta Beauty contour kit. Y'all guys already know, in the shade Goddess Bronze, and I'm just going to go ahead and touch up with the contour as well, just a little bit. I didn't go too heavy, you guys, because I already looked snatched already, you know what I mean? So just a little touch up, that's all. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use that same shade from the Ulta Beauty Contour Kit, Goddess Bronze, and I'm just going to contour my nose. I really wanted to make it defined, but at the same time, go a little light. No, don't go too, heavy with it. And of course, we got to blend it out because we don't do harsh nose contours up in here. Okay, so we're just blending that out with my damp beauty sponge. Okay, and I went ahead and used that same beautiful pearl shade within the Versatile Cheek Palette by Covergirl. And now I'm going to take the CoverGirl Look Lock eyeshadow primer with a small precise eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to apply that within the corners to kind of have a nice primer to set within that yellow eyeshadow, that beautiful yellow eyeshadow within the bhcosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I dipped into the that yellow shade, and I dipped into a lighter yellow shade in that palette as well, just to kind of pack that on as much as we can so we can get that very pigmented and outstanding yellow shade within the inner corner, because we're trying to make it pop. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to make it pop, pop, pop. So that's what we did. We just went ahead and packed it on. And of course, I had some excess dusting off, so I just went ahead and took my nose contouring brush and dusted it off. But I think it turned out pretty good, you guys. So now I'm taking my She Blush palette and I'm taking my favorite blush shade. I'm just adding a little bit of blush. I did go a little ham though. I couldn't help it. I felt like blush was just completing this look in so many levels. Like, come on now. It just looks so beautiful. Just applied on the apples on my cheeks. I brought a little bit to the temple too, as you guys can kind of see. I'm starting to do that now. Not only just taking it to the cheeks, but adding it to the temples. I feel like it really just brings that color out within the face. And of course, I lip line my lips using the Nicka K New York lip liner in the shade Dark Brown. Just going to go ahead and lip line my lips. This is my favorite lip liner ever. Now, of course, we don't have the Milan Lip Pumper beautiful light pink lip gloss that Miss Jackie Aina used in her makeup look. So, of course, I'm going to be taking the Black Radiance Beauty SPF lip gloss in the shade Sunset Rose. I feel like it kind of matched to the same lip gloss shade that she used within Milani Cosmetics. So I thought, why not go ahead and just put this on my lips? And I focused it more within the center to kind of give it that ombre effect. But at the same time, I did make sure it covered all over the lips as well. And then on top of that, I used the MUA Makeup Academy lip gloss. This is a beautiful shade. It really felt like it took the lip to a whole nother level, and it's in the shade Blush as well. So I used these two to give it that good combination, you know. Last but not least, I went ahead and set my face using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup Mist Setting Spray. And of course, we don't have that beautiful fan that was in the PR package with the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards. But you know what? I brought out my bougie, beautiful Jesus fan from the beauty supply store. Yes, can I get an amen? But yeah, I just went ahead and fanned my face away. And this is pretty much it to the makeup look, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. And you guys, this is the finished look. Ooh, your girl was going through a journey. You guys, it was just raining outside a few minutes ago. I was like, are you serious? But I didn't stop. I didn't give up. I kept going.
Can someone get her a crown? Connor, crown. Thank
you know why I said, we're gonna finish this look, okay? I was even struggling with this eye. It was not working with me correctly, but I didn't stop. I kept going because I said we are going to get this look done today. But I honestly think I look just like the makeup look that she created. Like, it looks really beautiful. You guys can't really see the purple so far away, but when you definitely look up close, you can definitely see that I smoked out the purple just like she did. And of course, like I tell you guys, I use everything that I had here at the house, from the bhcosmetics palette to the Versatile Cheek palette by Covergirl. Just use what I had, from the Black Radiance SPF lip gloss. Like I said, honestly, just use what I had, and it worked, and it helped me create this beautiful makeup look today. I really hope I made Jackie Aina proud. Oh my goodness, I really hope that she enjoys this tutorial. I really hope she enjoys this video. I really hope that she enjoyed me recreating another one of her beautiful makeup looks that she created herself. And I hope she likes this video. I hope she likes this video. And if you guys like this video, why don't you guys go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up, and comment down below any other makeup look suggestions that you guys would like for me to do here onto my channel. Comment down below if you want to see me recreate another Jackie Aina look, you know, part 3. I definitely would not mind to recreate another one of her makeup looks at all, but you guys gotta request. You gotta give me the request, okay? But this is just an amazing makeup day. The edges are laid, hair is laid, the makeup is slayed. It's an amazing day. It's an amazing day. But also, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to your girl's channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video here onto my channel as well. And please do me a favor and tag Miss Jackie Aina. Please show her this on Twitter, Instagram. Just show her, please. I would love for her see this. I really honestly would. And guys, don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias, which is my Instagram and my Twitter. You guys already know, okay? And like I said, I hope you guys like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed me recreating another Jackie Aina makeup look, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
To you, do we do all this back and forth? Yeah, I know what I'm wanting. You're the one that's fronting. Yeah, no, you know I'll be on my way. Yeah, I'll go on my way. Yeah, 'cause I'm here to say whatever you need, I got it. I'm gonna be about it. If you're loyal to me, I'll come through to hold it down to you. If you are loyal to me, I'll be loyal to you.